how to layer your skincare serums. Either you're going to be using skincare serums with microneedling, during microneedling or after microneedling, or just in general you want to know how to actually layer properly your serum. This is the right video for you guys. I have today 4 serums from Gin Amber Beauty, which is my store, and I do have hyaluronic acid serum, retinol, natural peptide, and natural vitamin C booster. Retinol is 2.5%, which is not a lot. There's 5, 7, and even 10% for his home use. So I want to explain about each of the serums. All right, let's start about the hyaluronic acid serum. What is hyaluronic? So hyaluronic acid is a powerful humectant, meaning it attracts and retains moisture. This helps to keep the skin hydrated, plump, and smooth. Hyaluronic acid helps to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles by improving skin elasticity and hydration. It also supports collagen production, which is essential for maintaining youthful skin. Did you know this actually can help with the wound healing? What a perfect serum to be used after microneedling, isn't it? And reducing, of course, inflammation, which is really important after microneedling. Hyaluronic acid has anti-inflammatory properties that can help to soothe and calm irritated skin. So this is kind of amazing serum to be used after microneedling. You only want to know one thing with hyaluronic, and nobody's talking about that. If you live in a dry climate only. If you live in a humid climate, you don't need to listen about that. That's very important. If you do live in the dry climate, Arizona, wherever the states or wherever you are in the world, you want to use some hydrating spray before you put hyaluronic acid serum on your skin. Why? Because hyaluronic acid attracts moisture, usually from external environment, from the air. If you live in a dry climate, you know where this molecule is gonna absorb the moisture from your skin. That's the only one thing you need to know. It's really beautiful hydrating serum ingredient that you need to use. I use this absolutely every single day. That's it for that, baby. The next serum, retinol, 2.5%. Here's the thing, retinol is derivative of vitamin A, offers numerous benefits for the skin. For example, anti-aging effect, reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, stimulates collagen production, naturally improving skin elasticity, fights free radicals, damage, protecting against premature aging. Who knew that retinol is a great acne treatment, regulates sebum production, reducing pore congestion, exfoliates dead skin cells, preventing breakouts, anti-inflammatory properties, can calm the acne, and then skin tone by reducing hyperpigmentation, improves skin texture, making it smoother and more radiant, reduces the appearance of dark spots and blemishes. 2 things you want to know about that serum. Wait 1 hour to apply after microneedling, especially if you have a sensitive skin. Maybe wait 2-3 hours. Don't apply right away. It's still retinol. It's not as strong. It's not retin-A. Retin-A is way more stronger, and I know people, some of you using retin-A right after microneedling. I wouldn't use that, but it's up to you. Do whatever you want. It's your skin, but I wouldn't use it. And another thing, if you're breastfeeding or if you're pregnant, any kind of retinols or retin-A, strictly, science has proven, data has proven that it is not good for your baby or your fetus. Don't use that, no matter how natural this is. That's all. By the way, I wanted to mention that all my serums, all my line is Sleeping Bunny certified, which is mean we do not test on animals. We are vegan and toxic free certified. This means we do not have a toxic, harmful, irritating ingredients for your skin. Because you know why? Because I care about your health. Yeah. Peptides, which is my favorite. Peptide. And hyaluronic and peptides is my favorite anti-aging stuff, because right now I'm breastfeeding. I can't use retinol. But beside that, this is like, I mean, all of those serums are perfection for anti-aging and having a healthy skin. But here are benefits of peptide. Improves skin firmness and elasticity. Peptides signal the skin to produce more collagen and elastin, which are essential for maintaining skin structure. Increase hydration. Peptides can help strengthen the skin's barrier, allowing it to retain. Peptides have antimicrobial properties, can help reduce blemishes and prevent breakouts. Faster healing. Peptides can accelerate wound healing and tissue repair, making them helpful for addressing acne scars and sun damage or other skin imperfection. perfect after microneedling. Peptides can help protect the skin from environmental damage and improve its ability to retain moisture. That's why I love this. That's why I love this. The badass serum, which is booster because it's very liquid. This is vitamin C 20%. It's not that strong, but it's not also weak. Why it's very, very important to know what kind of vitamin C to use after microneedling, especially. And I'm not using any other vitamin C. I try not to. This is sodium ascorbyl phosphate, the most bioavailable, the most natural, the best absorbed, and actually it's not oxidizing that quickly. Like for example, L-ascorbic, I don't use L-ascorbic acid after microneedling. It's just my skin is very sensitive and that serum oxidizes really fast, which goes bad. Don't use vitamin C serum at all if you don't know what to use. So here are a few key benefits of vitamin C overall. Antioxidant protects the skin from free radicals, which can cause oxidative damage leading to wrinkles, fine lines, and hyperpigmentation. Vitamin C helps inhibit melanin production, reducing the appearance of dark spots and uneven skin tone. Who knew vitamin C naturally boosts collagen production? Duh! Imagine combine that with microneedling, which is also collagen induction therapy naturally, right? This is what we're doing with microneedling. Micro damage. Vitamin C stimulates collagen production, which improves skin elasticity and firmness, reducing the appearance of wrinkles. The best thing that you actually, because it's liquid, some of you complain that it's kind of like squirting, so I'm including right now with every vitamin C booster actually a dropper. This is a pump, but I'm also actually including the dropper, so you can actually choose whichever you like, whichever you prefer to use. As I told you, I'm actually layering from the most liquidy from all these serums. The most liquidy, of course, is vitamin C booster, then kind of goes all together. Advanced hyaluronic acid serum, peptide, retinol serum. Like what I'm doing, please guys, don't be stingy on the skincare, but you also can combine all of these serums at once. Only if you're breastfeeding and have a baby, don't get retinol, but please, if I were you, these are really, really high quality serums to be used after microneedling. Please don't be stingy. I'll give you a discount. It's going to be down below in the description box. Get that for yourself. It's not that crazy expensive. Your skin, it's your representation of you. I personally will buy less clothes, less shoes, and less purses, and less fancy phones, but I will invest in good skincare. That is not that crazy expensive. And if you please have any questions, let me know down in the comment section. I'll be happy to answer. And thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't. Click that notification button because you can be notified when I release amazing educational videos. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!